Welcome to video 2 of Research Methodology RES 301. Again, I hope you're really having fun learning about research with me. I'm having fun here speaking to nobody like a crazy person. So our last video, we learned how to choose a research topic, right? We went from big to small, right? We started with a big topic, narrow it down until we have a great, easy question that is interesting. All right. So now today I'm going to show you how do you write an introduction to your research paper. And an introduction is always the beginning. This helps you set your paper and prepare your paper for the readers. And actually it's not so hard because there is a formula that you can use. There's a standard or a format. And it's not always exactly the same, but it's almost really similar between Cambodia, Thailand, China, Japan, Australia, America, UK, the same, all right? So an introduction is only around 2 pages for this project, okay? Just 2 pages, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less, but in general, I like that. And what we have in introduction is what I need to know. What do I, as the reader, need to understand before your paper? Okay? So don't tell me too much because I'm lazy. I don't want to read everything, okay? But don't write too little that I don't understand your topic. All right? So let's learn how to do it together. Okay, you ready? Stop. Okay, my lovely researchers. Oh, again, I'm missing you so much. This slide is very important for you later on when you write your introduction. This has a good format of what to do. So it's a good guideline. The first one we have is something called your background. So again, we're going to go the same as big to small. We have our background. And that's general information about your topic. Then we go to what's the general problem. Remember, I said research is about finding answers to questions, or usually solving problems. So your introduction is going to explain what is that big problem. So we're going to, again, background, general problem, specific problem. That's your research question, okay? So we're gonna go background, general problem, specific problem. Then we're gonna have something called research objectives. That means your research goals. What are your goals for the paper? And this is going to be the format of 2 plus a verb. All right, where are my English scholars? 2 plus a verb means infinitive, okay? So that's how we're going to do that. And finally, we have something called your significance. And significance is a great word, and it means importance. So why is this paper important? Okay, so again, let me stress one more time the structure of your introduction. Again, we're going to start with that broad background. Okay, go to the general problem and move to your specific research question. So we can see here, we're going from big to small, step by step by step. Okay? So again, your background is around half a page to 3/4, as well as your general problem should be around the same, a little bit longer, and your research question. All right? So then I talked about your research objectives. And that's when we use the infinitive English, 2 plus a verb. So for example, one research question from this class was, what are some possible solutions to the garbage problem according to small business owners in Phnom Penh? And they had 3 different objectives: to identify, to evaluate, to find solutions. So you see that 2 plus a verb. So to identify the problems which cause the big garbage piles, to evaluate and to analyze the reasons why poor management and to find possible solutions. So again, think about different to evaluate, to analyze, to understand, to investigate. So again, we're going to use to plus a verb, and you just have to list them in bullet points. Easy, right? Not so bad. So let's go and think about our example that we did over here about IR. Remember we talked about the effects about, or the causes for political relations between China and Cambodia since 2019. Remember that? Good. So how would we do an introduction for that? So again, let's use our format. Background, that's general information. So here we would do recent Cambodia-China relations. So you're going to kind of give me the short version of important events. So general background to general problem. So what are the problems here? The problem is, what's been happening recently between the two countries? Has there been any issues, any up and down? Why is there a problem? And we can talk about that in more detail. Finally, our specific problem. That's our research questions. All right? So that's what we did before. Now what's interesting is you can have one research question, two, maybe even three, but don't do more than three. Why? It's too hard. It's too hard. And I'm too lazy to research 4 different things. So try to focus your research questions into just a few. All right? So again, then after that, we do our objectives, to plus a verb, our significance, which means importance. Why is this topic important? And limitations. All right? And let's do one final example. Is last term some students studied about depression at UC. Have you heard of depression? Do you know what depression is? It's feeling really emotionally sad, but it's not just feeling sad because many Cambodian students love to be drama. Oh, I miss someone so much. Oh, my hat's so sad. I hope that's not you on your Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. All right? But depression is more serious. It's more of a psychological issue. And so this group looked at, what are the factors that can cause depression with some students at UC. So again, let's use the same format. Background. They said, what is depression? And what is some Cambodia-specific information about depression? General problem. So for here, why is depression in Cambodia a problem? And they talked about a lack of resources, a lack of knowledge about it, that young people aren't supportive, that they don't have good, again, resources and facilities. So again, background, general problem, specific problem. And that's when they said, what are the factors here to investigate? And again, the same thing, objectives, significance, and limitations. So use the same format and you'll be fine. So I hope this was helpful. So I want you to meet with your groups and discuss your research topics and your research objectives. And then we can discuss and improve them. So I hope you enjoyed. You can like and subscribe. No, I'm kidding. But I can't wait to see you for our next video. Bye.